All right, so this is the Foundry virtual tabletop. I'm going to show you exactly what is and is not accessible.
You can configure or disable your 3D dice by clicking this button. My Dice Settings button. Enter list with 4 items. My Dice Settings button. To activate, press Enter. You can always change these settings later under Configure Settings module. Settings Dice So Nice apostrophe.
As you can see, there's a whole bunch that is not labeled.
You won't see this message again. Happy rolling. Heading level 4 gnome. 13 age ago. D20 plus 60. Heading level 4 35. Heading level 4 12 age ago. D20 plus 6. Heading level 4 19. Heading level 4 no 12 age ago. 1D20 plus 16. Heading level 4 23.
Now I'm arrowing down through the chat window. But the problems, of course, are that the chat window, when you roll,
List end.
doesn't work.
Combo box public roll.
It should go ahead and give you the dice number when you
Slar
roll,
space.
and it doesn't.
D 2 0 plus 1 6. Enter.
It also doesn't tell you when somebody else is rolled, or chatted in the window or anything like that. You don't even get an audible saying that, for example, a ding saying that somebody put something in the chat window, so you know to go to the chat window and look.
D4 button. D6 button. D8 button. D10 button. D12 button. D20 button.
Those are all the dice that are available.
D100 button. D20 button.
Now
Space,
I'm going to go
1
ahead
button.
and click
D20,
on it.
D100
show that
button.
It works.
6.
I had to play to figure
160.
that out. Here's the problem.
0.
It's not
Plus
clear
button.
what this is doing.
Roll button.
And if you go back
Plus button.
to the beginning to find out what exactly it did, in other words, that it put plus 16, it will erase the formula that you created so that you have to type it all over again or try and use the dice again.
Space,
and it's all
plus
because
button.
it doesn't
To activate,
tell you
press
what
Enter.
it's doing.
Seventeen. 7. 6.
Now I'd hit the plus button there to go ahead and see if it would just go ahead and do
16.
D20
D1
plus
button.
16.
D8, D6 button. D4 button. Blank.
It added
Edit.
1
Slash
to
R
the
D20 plus
roll,
16.
which
List end.
is not what
List end.
you
Heading
want
level
to
4 8.
do.
List end. Combo box pub slash R D blank. D4 button.
And again, because none of this is
Blank.
verbalized,
Edit.
what's being put in the chat window, you don't know what it is you're doing. You're guessing.
D6 button. D8, D10 button. D12 but 1 button. D100 button.
Somebody who can see
Blank.
obviously
16.
wouldn't be
Roll
guessing.
heading level
They'd
3. Roll button.
see it
Enter.
in the
Roll
chat
button.
window.
To activate, press Enter.
And trying to get it to move someplace else. It's not moving.
Heading level 3. Heading level 3 players. Enter. Foundry virtual tabletop navigation region. Link arrow bullet. List of 1 items. List of 1
At
items.
this point,
Shadows and scale. S. List of 1 items. Nesting level 1. G.
I'm still trying to find the dice
Enter.
thing to
Space.
change the dice at this point. Using the tab button, various types of controls that are automatic with
List end
default with
nesting level 1.
JAWS.
List end. Navigation list of 4 items.
Now I'm just going
List
through
of
with
4
the arrow
items.
keys because,
List of 4 items. Nesting level 1.
and of course it's saying that there's a list of 4 items, but when I try and go ahead and find the 4 items, what they are, they're not described.
Enter.
But I don't know what that list is.
List end nesting level. List end nesting level.
There's just a whole
List
bunch
end
of
nesting.
silence.
List end. Navigation region. Link navigation region end. List of 5 items. Heading level 48 D21. It seems like you're using 3D dice for the first time in this world.
And now I'm back to the beginning.
You can configure my dice set. You won't see heading level 4 no. 13 HD20 heading level 4 no. F7. Turn on character browsing dialog. Turn on enter. Foundry virtual tabletop bullet a standalone virtual tabletop application Google Chrome. Heading level 4
Now I
no.
tried to use JAWS F7, which should give me a list of all the tabs and things like that
Alt
are
F.
here.
Context menu. To Alt F.
Nothing
Menu
happens.
bar. Context menu. Alt L. Leaving menus. Foundry virtual tabletop bullet is list of 7 items. Gamma Master GM. Abraham Z. Gamma
It
Master
just
Abraham
randomly
Gnome
took me
James
to
Kevin
the
E.
player
List end.
list.
Link. Link. Navigation region. List of 10 items. 1, 2, 3, 2,
And then there's
1,
this. Now I clicked
2,
on it
1.
prior, and it gave me a
Enter.
macro window to enter.
2.
However, I
3,
couldn't add anything
4.
to those macros.
Enter. 3, 2, 1. List of 10 items. Navigation region. Link. Enter. Navigation region. List of 10 items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0. List end. Link. 1. Link. Navigation region end. Heading level 4 player configuration. Link. Pop out. Close. Player avatar. Enter. Default icon / mystery man unlabeled graphic. Enter.
Now they have something that
Space.
suggests you can go ahead and change the image, the color
Player
of the
color select
character,
character.
whatever that is.
Enter. L.
And
Default
the
icon.
player
Player color select.
name.
Enter.
But
Space.
it's not letting me do that.
List of 1 items. Enter. Space. ZZ player 3 graphic. List of 1 items. ZZ heading level 3 list end. Save configuration button.
All you can do is
List end.
see
Heading
the
level 3 ZZ
listing of
player
what
ZZ
each
player.
thing
Enter.
is.
Enter.
It won't
List
let you
of 1
go into
items.
anything.
Player color
Attempts to
select character.
change
Default
it,
icon. Player avatar.
Nothing.
Close. Enter. Appearance.
And supposedly Foundry
Preferences.
will let you download your character
Enter.
sheet from
Special effects.
Hero Lab Online,
Performance.
but I couldn't find
Navigation region
any
end. Automatically
place in
hide.
here
Milliseconds before hiding
that would
checkbox.
allow me to do that.
2000.
Nor would
Edit.
it allow me
2000.
to enter a
Combo box
character
fade out.
sheet manually.
Sound effects. Sound volume checkbox check. Left right slider. 0.5. Min 0.100 0.5 table surface for sounds. Combo box felt.
Now, this, I have no idea what it is because
Enter.
I'm
Combo
not
box.
getting
Wood
the
table.
label for
Wood tree.
this section.
Metal.
Took me a while to figure out that this had to be the sound for
Enter.
the
Expanded.
dice
List
that are
with 4
being
items.
rolled on
Metal.
the
To move to an
board,
item, press the arrow keys.
which I have
0.5
no
table
use
surface for
for,
sounds.
so I
Combo
can't
box.
even turn
Metal.
it off.
Manual scale checkbox checked. To clear checkmark, press space bar. Left right slide unavailable. 75 animation speed. Combo box normal. 3D layer position. Combo box over sheets. Enter.
But
Under sheets.
whether or not I can turn
Over
it
sheets.
off
Combo box. Medium.
wouldn't
To change
affect
the
me
selection,
because
use the arrow keys.
my system's high enough that I don't have to worry about that. Somebody else with a lower
Strong.
grade system that's
Medium.
using a screen reader
Reset to
is
default
going to
button.
have
To
a
activate,
horrible
press enter.
time working
Save
with
button.
this
To activate, press
because
enter. Enter. Foundry virtual
this
tabletop. Bullet
adds
is standalone
graphics
virtual
that are
tabletop.
really not necessary.
Navigation region. Link arrow bullet. List of one item. Shadows and scarecrows. List of one items nesting G.
And my
List end
backups
nesting
as
level
well.
1. List end. Navigation region. List of four items. List of four items. List end nesting level. List end. Navigation region. Link color. Navigation region end. List of 5 heading level 4 home. 48D21 age ago. It seems like you're using 3D die. You can configure or disable your 3D dice My Dice settings button. You can always change these settings later under config. You won't see this message again. Heading level 4 home. 13 age ago. D20 plus heading level 4 30 heading level 4 home. 12 age ago. D20 plus heading level 4 heading level 4 home. 12 age ago. 1D20 heading level 4 heading level 4 9 meters. D20 plus heading level 4 18. List end. Combo box public role. D6 button. D8 button. D10 button. D12 button. D20 button. D100 button. Blank. Roll button. Heading level 3. Heading level 3 players. Heading level 3. List of 7 items. Gamma Master Abraham. No. J. Kevin. ZZZ. List end. Link. Link. Navigation region. Foundry virtual tabletop. Bullet is standalone.
Now, while
Navigation
I'm trying
region.
to do this,
Link arrow bullet.
I'm
List of one
really
item.
trying to find the
Shadows and
tabs that I
scarecrows.
know have to be there.
List of
For
one IG.
example, the
List end nesting
settings
level 1. List end. Navigation region. List of 4
tab.
items.
A character sheet tab.
Alt C. List of 4 items nesting level 1.
Should be there because they're
List
fairly
and nesting level 1.
standard with these tabletop things. For example, with Roll20. But they don't appear to be here.
Combo box. Public
There
role.
isn't a list of hotkeys.
List of 7
available.
items.
That should be
Gamma Master G. Abraham Z.
able to be found without a problem within the game. In fact, it would make sense
Search macros edit.
that this started at settings so you could set everything up.
List of 10
including
items.
The availability of
New macro graphic.
hotkeys.
Heading level 4 new macro. New macro graphic. Heading level 4 new macro graphic. Heading level 4 earn income graphic.
But
Heading
it's
level 4
not
new
going
macro.
there. And it doesn't allow you to get there, and I know it has to be here someplace. But can't find it, which means it might as well not be here. But since I know it's there for sighted people, it should be accessible
Earn income graphic.
for
Heading level 4 new macro graphic. Heading level 4 new macro graphic. Heading level 4 Ricea shield. Heading level 4 new macro graphic. Heading level 4 new macro graphic. Heading level 4 new macro graphic. Heading level 4 list end. List end.
I'm back to
List end. Heading new heading new heading new heading right heading new heading new heading level new macro heading earn income graph heading new heading level Ricea shield heading new heading level 4 new macro graphic. Enter. Space. Heading level 4 space. List end. Heading level 4 new macro. Link. Pop out.
I'm showing
Close.
you what
New
the
macro graphic.
new macro
Enter.
area
Space.
is.
Name.
Won't let you deal with the icon.
Enter. Name edit. New macro. Type in text.
It will let you type in a title
space.
for the new macro.
Testing new macro. Combo box unavailable minuggable. Enter. Foundry virtual tabletop. Enter. Navigation region. Link arrow
Won't
bullet.
let you put
List of 1
anything
items.
in the title
Shadows and
areas
scarecrows.
where there's a drop-down menu, or it should be.
List of 1 items nesting left G. List
And then
and
it takes
list
you
end.
out of it, which means you can't actually
Navigation
type
region
in a
end.
macro at all.
List of 4 items.
So what's the point?